For centuries, accountants have been called the backbone of business. They are the ones who measure profits, calculate taxes, analyze costs, and ensure companies stay financially healthy. But in today's world, we are entering an era where machines are learning, predicting, and making decisions. So, the big question everyone is asking is, will artificial intelligence replace accountants, or will accountants become more important than ever? So, just like a multinational firm recently automated 80% of its bookkeeping using AI, banks now use AI to detect fraud in seconds, while sometimes humans would take weeks to find. And tax software powered by AI can adjust automatically to new rules and file returns faster than a team of professionals. So, are we looking for at the end of accounting or as a human profession or the beginning of a smarter future? The answer lies in this video. So let's start. What is an AI in accounting? Artificial intelligence or AI simply means giving machines the ability to learn, reason, and make decisions. But when we bring AI into accounting, it takes a very specific shape. AI in accounting involves machine learning, natural language processing, robotic process automation, and predictive analysis. For example, an AI system can receive a scanned invoice, recognize the vendor's name, enter the amount, categorize it as an expense, and even schedule payments. Sometimes that would take a human several minutes is now done instantly and at scale. In simple words, AI is not replacing accounting principles, it's replacing the repetitive work behind them. So, the evaluation of accounting with technology. To understand the future, we must look at the past. Accounting has always adapted to technology. Like in ancient era, we use the technology of clay tables and abacus. And in manual era, uh, everyone uses handwritten ledgers, while in the computer era in the 1980s and 1990s is accountants used Excel and Tally. In ERP era in 2000s to 2010s, SAP, Oracle, and QuickBooks have been used, while in AI era, machine learning, NLP, and RPA is being used widely. Notice the pattern. Every new technology reduced the repetitive burden and shifted accountants toward higher level work. AI is simply the next step in this journey. So, let's have a look on the applications of AI in accounting. So, where exactly is AI being used in accounting today? Let's go through the most important areas one by one. Number one is bookkeeping automation. AI can record and categorize transactions automatically. Softwares like QuickBooks AI, Xero, and Zoho Books have built in AI features. Impact. Time for closing monthly books has reduced by up to 80% in some firms. Number two is fraud detection and risk management. AI scans millions of transactions to find irregularities. Like, for example, banks worldwide use AI to flag suspicious activity in real time. If we see a case or if we have a case study, then the MasterCard's AI fraud detection system blocked $20 billion worth of fraud in 2023 alone. The number three that we have is auditing. AI tools perform continuous auditing. Instead of sampling only 5% of transactions, AI can analyze 100% of the data. This leads to faster, more accurate audit. Number four is tax compliance. AI tracks new tax rules automatically. For example, in the US, software like TurboTax AI updates itself while every IRS rule change. Future. Businesses in Pakistan will benefit as FBR digitalized tech systems. Number 5 is financial forecasting and decision support. AI predicts future cash flows, profitability, and risks. For example, Amazon uses AI to forecast sales demand by analyzing customer behavior, seasonal changes, and economic data. So the number 6 and the last one that we have is chatbots and virtual assistants. Employees or managers can simply ask AI, what was our revenue last quarter? And get an instant answer. See how easy is this? Let's study some benefits of AI in accounting. Why is everyone rushing towards AI? That's a question that everyone can think at the spot. And the answer is because the benefits are too big to ignore. Some of them are here. Number 1 is time efficiency. AI completes tasks in seconds. Number 2 is cost saving. Less manual labor is equals to reduced overhead. Number 3 is accuracy. AI makes fewer mistakes than humans. And the number 4 one is data driven insights. AI sees trends humans may miss. And the last one that we have here is scalability. AI can handle thousands of records at once. So we can say here that this one makes our work easier and the most efficient one. So, for example, a mid-sized firm using AI bookkeeping saved $100,000 annually in staffing cost. Okay, so let's talk about some risks and challenges of AI. Of course, every revolution has challenges, as we all know. So, the AI's challenges are job displacement fears. Routine jobs will vanish. High cost of adoption. Not every firm can afford advanced AI tools immediately. Cybersecurity threats. AI depends on data. Stolen data is equals to disaster. And over reliance on AI, blind trust in AI without human review may cause errors. For example, in 2022, an AI system misread supplier invoices in a UK company, leading to $2 million in duplicate payments before being detected. Okay, so the big question, will AI replace accountants? Now let's face the most important question. Will AI replace accountants completely? The answer is no. AI will not replace accountants, but accountants who fail to adopt AI will be replaced by those who do. Why? Because AI is excellent at routine, repetitive data heavy tasks, but AI cannot make ethical judgments, provide financial strategy, or understand the human side of business. So the future role for accountants, from data entry clerks to business advisors, from record keepers to strategic decision makers, and from number crunchers to AI managers. So here I have some FAQs. Number 1 is, will AI take away my accounting job? No. Routine jobs, yes, but skilled accountants will always be in demand. Question number 2 is accounting still a safe career in 2025 and beyond? Yes, in fact, accountants who combine AI plus financial expertise will be among the highest paid. And the question number 3 is, which industries are adopting AI in accounting fastest? So the banking, e-commerce, and manufacturing are leading globally. Okay. So AI is not here to replace you. It is here to empower you. The accountants of the future will not just keep records. They will advise CEOs, predict financial risks, and make business smarter. The future belongs to those who embrace technology and not those who fear it. So the choice is yours. Will you let AI scare you, or will you learn AI and make it your strongest ally? So that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Learn with Ayman Javed for more professional contents on accounting, commerce, business, English, and many more. The future is waiting, so let's prepare for it together. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and happy learning.